Finish your name. Finish your name. That's our cat throwing up.
Oh, now what?
Now go clean up Wiggles' throw up.
No. Repeat it. I'll repeat it, Dada.